Hi there. Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime, the channel where you can expect to learn something new every week. It could be a beauty DIY that makes you feel good from the inside out. It could be a plant-based recipe, a lifestyle hack, or a garden tip when in season. Today, oh but wait, I really need for you all to subscribe and like. It inspires me to keep going and putting these videos out weekly when I know that you're watching and you're learning something. Like I was saying, today is going to be a plant-based recipe with garbanzo beans. Raised in a black household, we never ever ate these. I didn't learn about these until I was in my late 40s, but they're really a good food, loaded in protein, low in carbs. Keep watching to learn how to make this recipe. The recipe really is a cross between an egg salad and a tuna salad, but no eggs or tuna are used. Keep watching, y'all. Keep watching. All right, let's get moving. How many ounces is this? This is 15.5 ounces of garbanzo beans. I've drained most of the liquid, but I've kept some in here for flavoring. That. Then we have to mash it. Easy to do, right? You can do this. Got a clear bowl so you can see what I'm doing. I think I could use a little liquid right now. When you're making a salad, the good part about it is you can do it to taste. So I'm going to give you the measurements of the ingredients. You can add as much salt or pepper as you'd like. And I'm not mashing all of these up because I like a little bit of texture. Now these don't taste good by themselves. You have definitely got to beef them up. No pun intended. Okay, so this is about as much as I'm going to break them down for now. Can you see that? I'll keep mashing as I go. I'm going to move this over to the side and add the next ingredient. Okay, let's do the avocado. I actually started opening half of it. You want it to be kind of soft, but not too soft. And the weird part about avocado, you almost don't know what you're going to get until you open it. So you go around the whole thing and then twist it. Oh, this is a pretty good one. And just spoon it out. Try not to get the brown part. Just spoon it out. Squeeze it. It'll plop right out. And then this part, same thing, so you gotta get the seed out. But you kind of wiggle it and it usually will just come out. That's it, you all. So we're going to use a whole avocado. We're going to mash it up. Just like we did the garbanzo beans, right? Mash it. And then we're going to mash them both together. This is very easy, right? That's why it's important to get a soft avocado, because if you get a hard one, it's not gonna work right. It'll be too hard, it won't be scrumptious. Okay, then I mix the two together. So after you make this, you refrigerate it or you use it right away, because if you refrigerate it overnight, it's gonna oxidize and it's not gonna be this beautiful vibrant color. The green will start to darken and you might not like that. It will taste the same, it'll actually taste better, just won't look the same color. See how it's looking? I really wanna mash a little bit more of the beans, but you can mash it to where you like it. Turning out okay. Yes. Next, I'm gonna add a garlic clove, 1 garlic clove. And you can taste it along the way. Actually, it's better to taste it towards the end after all the flavors are together. Then you know exactly what you need. Always try to use something fresh if you can. And I'm using garlic. But you could feel free to use, it's going to change the flavor though, ginger. Whatever you like. Grown from the earth, you all. Okay. Mix it in. And if you can't smell it in your dish, it's probably not enough. You should be able to smell the garlic. See how it's coming along? This away. Put a garbage can nearby. Now, here's my black salt. I've used this before, but this gives it an egg flavor. I'm only going to use a small amount to start. 1/4 teaspoon. This is an acquired flavor. 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. A couple sprinkles of pepper. That's good. And this is dulse flakes. This is a seaweed, and it gives it the fishy flavor. I really like this, so I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, see how that looks? Just mix them together. I can smell everything. Smell the garlic. I really could use a little more garlic. If you don't have fresh garlic, use garlic salt, not salt, garlic powder, granulated, so not powder, granulated garlic. See how this looks? You can put it in a wrap. You can use it as like a mayonnaise and add tomatoes and pickles. Toasted bread and put this in there. Ooh-wee! Yes, indeed. Or you can put it in a wrap. This is almost it, you all. I really want to taste this. I gotta taste it. You know, you don't know how something tastes until you taste it. I'm looking at it, looks good, but let me see what we're working with. Not enough salt to me, so I'm going to add another 1/4. It's not coming out good, you all. Okay, just a little more because you want to be able to taste the flavors. Now don't taste the pepper. And I really could use a little more. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description box because I really tweaked it. Now we should be kicking up with the flavor, and it's getting a little thick to me, so I need to add just a little, another tablespoon or so, just to liquefy it more. So I'm going to add another garlic too because I don't taste that, and that's our recipe, you all. Chickpea salad, which is a cross between tasting like an egg salad and tuna salad. All right, see how it looks? Yes. I was gonna try to wait, you all, to eat it, but I can't. Flavorful, refreshing, crunchy. Quick. Mm-hmm.